friends, welcome back to Chitra Art. Today we are going to draw a pineapple. For this drawing, we need one drawing paper, one pencil, one eraser, and colors like dark green, light green, yellow, orange, brown, and black. So let's start drawing. First, draw one big oval shape. Now draw some diamond shapes like this. Within the diamond shapes, draw patterns like this. Now draw some small patterns. Now we are going to draw the leaves. After that, erase the extra lines. Now darken the drawing with black color. For the leaves, give shades of green. Now, for the highlight, give yellow and blend it with green. For the pineapple, give brown and dark yellow. See, we are done with our drawing. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like and share. If you have any doubts, just comment down below. Bye. See you next class.